Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Leh Nutrition Project versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case has been reported in 101 ITR Tribunal at page number 9. The matter has been decided by Amritsar ITAT and the date of the judgment is 16th November 2022. This case is regarding the exemption under section 11. In this case, the assessee applied for the registration under section 12A, which is necessary for claiming the exemption under section 11 in case of charitable institutions, and the registration was granted on 21st July 2011. As all we know that the registration is applicable from the year in which the registration is granted. So in this case, the registration was granted in the previous year 11-12. So it is applicable from the previous year 11-12 or the assessment year 12-13. In this case, the notice for assessment was issued to the assessee on a date on which the registration was there with the assessee, meaning thereby that the notice for the assessment year 10-11 was issued to the assessee after the date on which the registration was granted to the assessee, that is 21st July 2011. The assessing officer, while doing the assessment, denied the exemption under section 11 by saying that the exemption is applicable from the previous year 11-12 because the registration was granted on 21st July 2011. So in this case, the benefit of section 11 cannot be given to the assessee for the assessment year 10-11. The assessee was contesting this point on the basis of proviso to section 12A, which says that if the notice is issued for the assessment on a date when there is already registration under section 12A, then section 11 exemption will be applicable for all the assessment years for which the assessment proceedings are pending on the date of registration under section 12A. So, in this case, when the notice was issued to the assessee, that was in the month of September 2011, on that date the assessee was having registration under section 12. So, it can be said that according to the proviso to section 12A, the benefit of section 11 will be applicable for all the assessment years for which the assessment proceedings are pending on the date of registration under section 12A. In this case, a very important judgment of the Supreme Court has been discussed. The name of the judgment is Auto and Metal Engineers versus Union of India, 1998, and this judgment is reported in 229 ITR at page number 399. In this case, the Supreme Court said that the assessment proceeding starts the day the return is filed or the notice to file the return is issued, and it culminates on the date when the demand notice under section 156 is issued to the assessee. So, even if the notice for scrutiny or the reopening of the assessment is not issued to the assessee up to the date of the registration under section 12A, even then it can be said that the assessment proceedings are pending and the benefit of section 11 will be available to the assessee for that assessment year for which the return is filed when the registration under section 12A is granted to the assessee. Friends, this case is very important for all those charitable institutions who are fighting their case, to whom the registration under section 12A was granted, and on that date if any proceedings was pending or even the return was filed, then they can take the benefit of section 11 for all those assessment years. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Leh Nutrition Project versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 101 ITR Tribunal, page number 9. The matter has been decided by Amritsar ITAT and the date of the judgment is 16th November 2022.